it'd be remiss of me not to finish up without mentioning the toy show. I cannot overemphasise how successful that is. It is an institution now in Ireland, and we have to give credit where credit is due. I'm still not sure whether you're targeting the adults, the parents, or the kids, because I don't know who gets more excited. But it really is. It's just, and this is not a criticism, but I'm just asking. It's the one question that was asked me by every single constituent throughout Wexford and Wicklow on Saturday morning. Is there any way, if you met someone from RT, would you consider the timing of it? Because it's literally turned almost into a children's stamina Olympics. And no one in the Brennan household got a gold medal, thankfully.
We have discussed that, actually. But actually, you're right. It was massively successful. 1.4 million people watched it on TV. 640,000 watched it on the player, not just in Ireland, but globally, you know, around the world. I have to say, Patrick Kilty did a fantastic job. Brilliant. The kids on it were great. And I should also mention, you know, the Irish audience has donated 4.6 million to the toy show appeal.
Absolutely, yeah.
And that's over 30 million now that we've raised. So we have looked at the earlier time slot. That would be changing a very successful institution. So it's almost like getting rid of the Angelus.
Yeah. They get a night staying up. I think they prefer it. I'd keep it the way it is. That'd be top tier.